Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to generate Facebook code from Authentication app. Without further ado, let's get started. First, we need to open our Facebook app and then go to menu. Then go to settings and privacy, then click settings. Now click your account center and then go to password and security. And then go to two-factor authentication and then select your profile. Now, wait for your Gmail account to send the code from Facebook. Now, once you receive and paste the code, click continue. And now select the Authentication app. And it will instruct you to download their app and copy the code they provided. Once you've done, go to Play Store or App Store and then download the Google Authenticator app. And once you've finished downloading it, now open the app. Since I can screen record the Authenticator app in my Android, I'm here now in my iPad. So now go to Google Authenticator app and then click the plus button below and enter a setup key. Now you can name anything you want. And then paste the key provided by the Facebook before and click add. And that's it everyone. I hope you learned something today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.